Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to update size of a product throughout Shopify. So to update a product size on Shopify, you need to edit its variants. You can modify sizes for individual items by selecting the specific product in your Shopify admin, updating the variant values and click and save. So let me show you how. Let's go to products. And here what I'm going to do is to click on add a product. And from there, I'm going to actually name it a shirt. So let's say we are selling a shirt. And here we have a picture of it. Let's go all the way down, and here we have variants, so we can update the size. So here I'm gonna add options and I'm gonna choose size. So here let's add a size. Here we have normally all the size written for you already, so you can select them all. So we can select S, medium, large, X large, double X large, and these are gonna be your own variants. Each could be with a specific price, so you can write it down here. For example, is it small with 100, this one is 100, this one is 120, this one is 120, and this one is 150. Available 10, this one 5, this one 4, this one 3, and so on. And you can add a specific picture image to each one of these. And just like that, you have now your product with its variants. And now when people are trying to buy a shirt, they can decide which size will fit them and will choose the size that fit them, of course, if the size that you have is available within your stock. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to press on the save button here, and just like that, you have completed all the steps you need to do. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. And if you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you a lot guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos. Bye bye.